What's up, guys? Steve Mansker with Total Access Reviews here. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Tytus Fresno grill island. I've got my pellet smoker here, which does awesome, but I needed something for the weeknights where I could cook a quick and easy meal. Wanted the ability to have a side burner, and I wanted something that really wasn't going to break the bank. So just a quick run around here. It's got a pretty nice compact footprint here. Their claim to fame for Tytus is how quick and easy this unit is assembled. You can assemble it with no tools. Took under 30 minutes to get this guy set up. On the left-hand side, we've got an ice bucket here to keep our drinks cold. Nice spacious grill. Right-hand side, got a little side burner. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of the storage. Plenty of space in here in this right cabinet. In the center, we've got our propane tank. We've got a small trash can. The flat top I purchased separately for this unit. You can take the burners out and it drops in as well. I keep it stored here in the back. And then another nice storage cabinet. So far, I'm loving this grill. Looks really sleek and sharp. I'll be completing a separate video as well. I did pick up the panel kit to replace these bottom kick plates, and then this side panel as well to change that over to stone. So keep an eye out for that video. I will go ahead and drop the link for this grill island if you'd like to check it out. And if you have any comments, feel free to drop those below. Thanks for watching today, guys. Have a great day.